I'll guide you through how to play Roblox on a mobile phone without lag and poor performance or feeling lost when transitioning from PC controls. If you're looking to take your favorite games on the go and play from anywhere, or you want to finally master the tricky touch controls and camera movement, and you need to play Roblox on mobile, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. The key to a good mobile experience starts before you download the app. We need to verify that your phone can handle the game, then install it, and finally, optimize your controls. First, you need to know the system requirements for Roblox Mobile. Roblox can be graphically demanding, and the first major challenge is performance. You need sufficient hardware and a stable connection. For context, if your phone is too old, you'll see constant lag, so check your device's operating system. For Android, you need Android 5.0 or newer. For iOS, you need iOS 11 or newer. Because Roblox requires internet, connectivity is key. You need a strong, stable Wi-Fi or 4G or 5G connection. Mobile data works, but a stable signal is crucial for preventing dropped connections and sudden lag spikes. We highly recommend devices with 2 GB of RAM or more for the best performance. Now that you've confirmed your phone can handle it, the installation is straightforward. Head directly to the official Google Play Store for Android or the Apple App Store for iOS. Search for Roblox and download the official free app from the Roblox Corporation. Once you open the app, you can create a new account or log in with your existing PC credentials. The mobile interface is vertical and streamlined. You'll use the icons along the bottom to jump between the Games tab, Chat, and the Avatar Editor. The biggest hurdle for PC players is the virtual joystick and camera. You need to train your thumbs. When you join a game, your movement is controlled entirely by the virtual joystick that appears on the left side of the screen. To move your camera's view, drag your finger across the right side of the screen. Practice moving with your left thumb and controlling the camera with your right thumb simultaneously. For more on mobile gaming, check the description below. Now that you've learned how to play Roblox on mobile phones, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more YouTube video tutorials. Thanks for watching.